All right, welcome back, Smile Jammers. In today's Girl Talk, the topic on the table is the division of household work between couples. It's 2020. Men, why are you still not doing chores? Is this true or false? We're going to talk about it.
Whose neck are we on this morning?
Ooh,
Don't
well,
know. Um,
I don't know. You see, part of it is what do we define as chores? Because
Let me tell you what Psychology Today says.
yes.
He believes in equality, he roots for equal pay, and he detests patriarchy. And yet somehow his belief in equal rights failed to motivate him enough to vacuum the carpet on a regular basis. The modern feminist man is supporting and rooting for the empowerment of women, but then why won't he help clean the house? What is keeping him from getting the dinner ready every night? And when it comes to household chores, the division of labor still gendered, with women shouldering most responsibilities. So, if that is the truth, why is this so? I think from you say gender, you go to social construct. From you go to social construct, you go to stereotypes. From you go to stereotypes.
Look, I do have a problem with some of it.
With which part of it, miss?
And that's why I said, what are they calling household chores? Because people say,
Washing,
it's not
cooking, cleaning.
Right. But I am not doing the chopping of the grass. I am not
That is
clipping.
not a household chore, miss. That is a
what?
that is a him.
It's the house. That's what
No,
I'm
that's
saying.
a outer door.
No, man.
That is
no, man, at the house.
No, Delia,
At
that
the
is
house.
a
And so I find sometimes these discussions tend to be a little unfair to the men because obviously also we're
gardening
talking
is
about
not
inside.
a household chore.
It's part of the house.
Nope.
What do you mean?
It's outside of the house. It does not count.
Yeah.
No.
It counts to me.
No. No.
So listen, I now go out there, go trim the hedge, and I now mow the lawn. I don't want to paint.
Absolutely not.
Outdoors. I don't want to I don't.
You want to paint indoors?
Me no want to wash a car. Me no want. So if you are gonna do them things, me will cook and clean, and me will do that. Me will do that. So me personally, people might not agree with me, but me personally,
I'm not talking to you, sir.
I have no problem with it because there's something.
So what is it? Is it a trade-off?
It's not a trade. It's just me not do it.
Okay, so forget
And
about.
I don't want to. I don't want you as the man to tell me that why you can't cut the hedge.
Delia,
me no want to cut it. So
personally speaking, any man will send you out a door with one edge clipper?
no, but then why would we say so in the same way if him say, boy, me not like wash the plate. You not like wash plate?
It's not this. Do you know what it takes to trim an edge?
Exactly.
You need
so after a man done trim my edge,
you know the kind of
must come wash the plate.
You know the kind of testosterone it takes to. What do you mean?
Yes.
No, chef, it is very hard. It takes muscular ability.
Yes,
Sun
it
hot.
would.
You're
And
gonna
when
sweat. Lizard are gonna jump on.
And when him done do all of that, why must come cook the dinner? I don't think it's fair.
That's what I'm saying. That's not a household chore.
It's a what?
It doesn't qualify as a household chore. That is like
a part of the house.
gardening and that is hard labor.
No, but a part of the house.
It is outer door. It don't count. We can come back inside. Come back inside now. We can come back inside.
But from say how? That's why I said my definition don't work with other people's definition.
I paint inside my house.
It's a part of the house.
Well, I didn't really have a choice because if I don't paint, who's gonna paint? But painting is a very difficult job.
I can, but I don't like do it. So me I tell you, so there are some things.
Okay.
If a man gonna do it, make him go do them something.
No,
so
let's stick to the things that they usually say women are to do. So let's talk about the cooking and the cleaning. All the time?
So I think what is reasonable is to say if I clean, don't feel like you have to always dirty it up. So if you come in, don't throw down your things. Then if I have a basket for you to put your clothes in, put your clothes in the basket. That is not household chore. That is nastiness. Put your clothes in the basket. I'm going to take them up and wash them, but now just throw them down on the ground.
So if
you do them things.
If you leave and go to work and you leave him at home, and you come home and the house is still dirty, that's cool?
I don't know if mother did leave it dirty.
You don't have time to clean it. You're going to work. It's a hypothetical situation. And you leave.
And him not work?
Or he works. Okay, I'm going to say he's not working because I was going to say he works from home. But if you work from home, you're really working. I know what work from home is like.
So the two of them need to get that L5 to two of work.
True, I'm with you.
Yeah.
But if he have the capacity and the time to do it, and he left it and say, I'm going to leave it for a day later to do it when she come home. You are good with that? You?
Simone, may I tell you, say, if them have to do if
I'm
other things when man have to do, them not do it, then me and you have a falling out. But me feel like the things them when me not feel like do, me not do them, and me don't want to force you to do. Chuchu, me cook, I me clean, me not have a problem with that.
All the time?
Me not have a problem with that. But me not go outside, me tell you what me not do. Me not cut no hedge, me not mow the land, me not, my neighbor them will tell you some gentlemen on the avenue, I'm ready, me call them, I say, come here. Come help me change that bulb.
Okay, let me ask you another question. Let me put it this way. What if you say to him one day, Harold, you can cook tonight, and him say, no, that is your responsibility because you are the woman. Is that different? Or if you say to him, Harold, the house is dirty again and you've been here all day and I've asked you or said to you that sometime you can help me clean it. And him say, no, cleaning is for women. You're good with that?
I think that's a different conversation. Though.
No. Yeah, no, because it's the same gender stereotypes you're talking about. Women are to do.
I don't know. But I mean, I'm choosing to do it. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying I want to do it. That's what I want to do.
Right, but I'm saying, what if he says that's your responsibility to do? He's not to ever wash. He's not to ever clean. And he's not to ever cook.
Tell me that.
Oh, no, that makes
my responsibility.
Harris, you make me wonder what you do with yourself this morning.
No, that's an extremity though. That's a man who really. That's a different kind of man. Yeah, man. That's a different kind of man.
Oh, there's so many of them.
That's a different kind of man. But I believe we can have an understanding that what I find is like I have my sister Pat in Spanish just loves to cook. Whether you're a man or a woman, from Pat come, she gonna cook.
If she loves to do it, that's a different thing.
So to me, I like her to say, he's a man. I find that sometimes you say we force men to do things because we feel they must do it because it makes us equal. I don't think it has to be that extreme. I think, you know what I mean? If you have a time when you can cook and you love cook. You don't have to stop and say, well, I'm not cooking today because I want to prove that we're equals and you have to do something as well. I don't believe in that.
Yes, but there are days when you don't have to ask because he would just do it because it's nice sometimes to have, yes. If he can
cook, it's not going to kitchen, Papa. Not do it.
But also it would be nice for him to try to learn.
To cook?
Yes. If Lex can sing a song, say, oh man, you better can cook, think you there for your pretty look. Now we can make one of him and them too.
Well, he better can cut the hedge
and it's not a fin.
And change the tire and wash the car and do the runs to get it advertised.
I would appreciate a man who would be willing to do stuff inside the house.
Would I appreciate him too, but me naga.
Who does not think it's my responsibility to do it because I'm a woman, which is how the gender stereotypes usually work. Yes, that is all I have to say about that.
That's girl talk.
We're done.
Yes. All right, so that's it for Girl Talk. Up next, a girl we can cook.
Think she there for your pretty look.
We're going to be dining with Yannick. Come.